Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today, inshallah, we are going to start lesson number 6. Before we read all these examples, we can revise what we have learned in the previous lessons. In the previous lesson, we learned about Arabic movements, and these are Fatha, Kasra, and Dumma. And also we learned how to pronounce Arabic letters with these three signs. Let's take an example. In this example, we have letter Jim, and we can pronounce it Jim Fatha becomes Ja, Jim Kasra Ji, and Jim Dhamma Ju. We also learned in the previous lessons about Tanween. The word Tanween includes three signs. These are Fathataen, Kasrataen, the third one is Dammataen. And we know about that the word Fathataen means double Fatha and Kasrataen means double Kasra, and the word Dammataen means double Dhamma. And we learned how to pronounce Arabic letters with these three signs. We can take one example. In this example, we have letter Ba, and now we can pronounce letter Ba with these three signs. So Ba Fathataen becomes Ban, Ba Kasrataen becomes Bin, and Ba Dammataen Bun. Good job. Now we are going to read few real Arabic words by using these six signs. I mean Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, and Fathataen, Kasrataen, and Dammataen. We are going to read Arabic words while using these six signs. So let's start lesson number 6. It might look a little bit hard, but we are going to divide each word into small parts according to the signs, so then reading Arabic words become more simple and easy. We can divide first Arabic word into small parts according to the signs, and in this example, as you know that letter Hamza is written top of the Alif, so Alif becomes silent, and also this last Alif is silent because of Arabic writing style. So now we are going to read this word according to the spelling method. So we can say Hamza Fatha becomes A, and second Ba Fatha Ba. Now we can say them together, first and second part. It becomes Aba, and now we can join the last letter, that is Dal Fathataen Dan. Now we can read all these three steps together, so it becomes Abadan. Remember that we have to make short sound when a letter has just Fatha, Kasra or Dhamma. So the first word is Abadan. Good job. In the next example, first letter is Hamza, Hamza Fatha A, and then the second one is Ha Fatha Ha. Now say them together, it becomes Aha. Last letter is Dal, and it has Dammataen. So Dal Dammataen becomes Dun. So this word becomes Ahadun. Very good. Next one is Hamza Fatha A, Kha Fatha Kha. We pronounce letter Kha with thicker sound. So the first and second part becomes Akha. This is Dal. So Dal Fatha Dha. It becomes Akhadha. Very good. Next, also this alif is silent because letter Hamza is written top of it. So Hamza Fatha A, second letter is Dhal, Dhal Kasra Dhi, it becomes Adhi, and Noon Fatha Na. Now say them together, all these parts, so it becomes Adhina. Also try to make short sound while pronouncing letters with Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma. So I hope now you got it, and this is very simple and easy. Just we have to divide each word into small part according to the signs, and then we can read each letter according to the spelling method, and in the last step we can say them together. That's it. So in this word, Hamza Fatha A, second one is Mim Fatha Ma becomes Ama, and Ra Fatha Ra, Amara. Good job. In this example, here we have a new sign. It looks like a small zero. Basically, this is a silent sign. it means this alif is silent. Whenever you see small circle is written top of any letter, that becomes silent. So the first part is Hamza Fatha A and Noon Fatha Na. It becomes Ana. Very good. In the next line, first letter is Ba, so Ba Fatha Ba. Second letter is Kha, Kha Kasra Khi, and it becomes Bakhi. Last letter is Lam, Lam Fatha La. Now we can say them together. Bakhila. Good job. In the next example, here we have 4 letters, so we can divide this word into 4 steps. So the first step is Ba Fatha Ba. Second is Ra Fatha Ra, becomes Bara. Third letter is also Ra with Fatha, so Ra Fatha Ra. Now we can say them together. Barara. And the last letter is circle Ta. Ta Kasrataen Tin. Bararatin. Very good. Next one is very simple. Each letter has Fatha, so Jim Fatha Ja. This is letter Ain. Ain Fatha A becomes Ja'a, and Lam Fatha La. Ja'ala. Good job. Next example is similar to the previous one. So here we have letter Jim, Jim Fatha Ja, and Mim Fatha Ma becomes Jama, and Ain Fatha A, Jama'a. Next one is also very simple. Each letter has Fatha, so Ha Fatha Ha, Sin Fatha Sa becomes Hasa, and Dal Fatha Da, Hasada. Remember that Fatha, Kasra and Dumma, they are short vowel. When any letter has Fatha or Kasra or Dumma, we have to make short sound. Also the next word is very simple. First letter is again Ha, Ha Fatha Ha. Second one is Shin Fatha Sha, becomes Hasha, and Ra Fatha Ra, Hashara. In the next line, first letter is Kha, Kha Fatha Kha, and second letter is Shin, so Shin Kasra Shi. Now we can say them together. Khashi. And the last letter is Ya, so Ya Fatha Ya, Khashiya. Well done. Next one is Kha Fatha Kha, and this is vertical line in the middle. This is a letter Lam, Lam Fatha La, it becomes Khala, and Qaf Fatha Qa, Khalaqa. One more thing, that when letter Lam comes in the middle, it looks like a letter Alif. So let's talk about the difference between Lam and Alif. Here we have 2 examples. In the first example, this vertical line in the middle, this is a letter Lam, and in the second example, this is letter Alif. Now we can focus on these 2 shapes and we'll try to find out what is the difference between them. If we notice in the first example, here this vertical line is connecting with the next letter, and there is no gap between this line and the next letter. But if we focus on the next example, here you can see that this is a vertical line, but also there is a gap between this line and the next letter. So this is the main difference between Alif and Lam. Lam can connect with the next letter, there will be no gap, and Alif can't connect with the next letter. There must be a gap between Alif and the next letter. So I hope you got it, and next time you will not confuse in recognizing letter Lam and Alif.